clear this section now.
All right, moving the hides to the main line. Careful with the new batch coming in.
The buffalo fat blocks are fed into the industrial rotary cutter, precisely diced into uniform cubes for the next stage of luxury soap production.
Here, the filtered buffalo oil is combined with a precise sodium hydroxide solution. Saponification begins, and the
Here in the cleaning bay, the raw hides are tumbled with high-pressure water jets to remove dirt and blood, preparing them for the next stage. Next, the hides are submerged in a precise mixture of salt and acid, preserving the fibers before the chrome tanning stage. Here you can see the chrome tan sheets entering the hydraulic press. The rollers apply immense pressure, forcing out the remaining water before the next stage. After the color is fixed, the buffalo hides enter this massive drying chamber, where warm air gradually removes the moisture. Next, the dried leather undergoes mechanical softening, repeatedly flexed until it achieves peak pliability for the polishing stage.
Are these panels ready for trimming?
Almost, just finishing up these belts.
The painted edges are then moved under powerful infrared lamps. This ensures a rapid and consistent cure, hardening the paint to a durable finish. The heated brass stamp is precisely lowered, searing the logo deep into the hide to create our signature luxury finish. Here at the Buffalo factory, our team ensures every luxury item is meticulously scanned before shipment, guaranteeing quality from storage to loading. To guarantee durability, the straps are tested under maximum load. The stitching remains perfect, proving the quality of our craftsmanship.
Our luxury buffalo leather undergoes rigorous durability testing. As you can see, the protective coating.
Welcome to the largest buffalo factory. Our journey began with a commitment to quality craftsmanship. Today, we continue that tradition.
Every stitch is meticulously hand-sewn using waxed linen thread, ensuring a flawless and incredibly strong seam. The culmination of our process, the finest water buffalo leather and artisanal soaps, presented in exquisite detail. Inside largest buffalo factory. Luxury soap and leather manufacturing, full process. The tensile strength exceeds our projections for the new line.
And the sustainability metrics are excellent. This leather is perfect for the new luxury bags.
The full process of crafting our luxury soap and leather begins here, in this massive, state-of-the-art facility.
Are we still meeting up later tonight?
Absolutely. I'll see you there around 8.
We take the finest natural resources and, through meticulous craftsmanship, transform them into luxury. From nature to luxury.